Hey there. Ever felt like life's got you running on empty? I am here to introduce you to a natural way to beat stress and boost your resilience. Adaptogens. Adaptogens are incredible natural herbs that help your body handle physical and emotional stress. They have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to restore balance and promote resilience. Sounds cool, right? So what exactly are adaptogens? These are herbs that help regulate your stress response by balancing cortisol levels and promoting relaxation. Think of them as your body's stress regulators, constantly working to keep you in the zone. First up, let's talk about ashwagandha. This powerhouse herb is one of the most popular adaptogens around. Ashwagandha is known for lowering cortisol levels, improving sleep, and reducing anxiety. Imagine feeling calmer, sleeping better, and handling life's pressures with more ease. That's what ashwagandha can do for you. Next, meet rhodiola. If you are dealing with stress-related exhaustion, this one's for you. Rhodiola helps combat fatigue, increases energy, and enhances mental clarity. Picture this. You are more energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Rhodiola is like a natural pick-me-up without the crash. Now let's not forget about Holy Basil. This herb works wonders for overall balance. It helps to balance cortisol levels, reduce inflammation, and promote emotional well-being. Holy Basil is your go-to for an all-around stress reliever, helping you feel more grounded and less overwhelmed. So how can you integrate these amazing adaptogens into your daily routine? It's simple. You can find them in various forms like capsules, teas, or tinctures. Just make sure to start slow and see how your body responds. Remember, adaptogens are supported by research for their role in balancing cortisol, improving energy levels, and reducing stress. They make a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, but they are not a magic cure. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Consider adding adaptogens to your daily routine to naturally support stress management and improve your resilience to fatigue and mental exhaustion. Thanks for watching, and take care.